Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the tools you actually need. Install Android Studio Flamingo or later, then add the Flutter SDK and set path so Flutter commands work. Once done, run Flutter Doctor and fix any yellow or red notes. Make sure the Android SDK, Platform 33, and build tools are present. Then open Android Studio, install the Flutter and Dart plugins, restart the IDE, and create a new Flutter application so you're ready to implement UI and run the app. Next, you configure project-level tools and build settings so compilation is predictable. Set the Android SDK path and preferences, confirm JDK 17 or newer, and check Gradle wrapper versions in Android/Gradle. Create or launch an AVD or connect a physical device with USB debugging enabled. Make sure the device appears in Android Studio's device selector. Then fetch dependencies with Flutter pub-get. Resolve version conflicts if any, and run the app via run. Finally, you polish and prepare a distributable build while keeping iteration fast. Use hot reload for quick UI tweaks, open dev tools to profile performance, then create a release with Flutter Build App or Flutter Build App Bundle and sign via Android signing configs. Once packaged, test on target devices. If something breaks, Gradle sync fails or dependencies mismatch, run Flutter clean, delete. Gradle caches if needed, then Flutter pub get and rebuild. This usually clears stubborn build or version conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.